If you're trying to sign out of MSN and it's giving you an error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to fix it and fully sign out successfully. This is a simple step-by-step guide for anyone who's stuck on the MSN sign out screen or who clicks sign out and nothing seems to happen. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to log out properly and, if needed, clear the browser data that may be causing the issue. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open your browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any browser you normally use. In the address bar, type msn.com and press enter. Once the MSN homepage loads, look at the top right corner of the page. You should see your profile icon there. Click on that profile icon to open the account menu. From the menu that appears, click Sign Out. In many cases, that will be enough to log you out right away. But if MSN gives you an error, or if it seems like the sign out didn't actually complete, there's a second method you can use. Press Ctrl, Shift, and delete on your keyboard. This opens the browser's Clear Browsing Data window. In that window, make sure you clear cookies and site data. If you want, you can also clear other temporary browsing data, but cookies and site data are the most important part here because they often store the session that keeps you signed in. After selecting the right option, confirm the clear action. Once that's done, close the browser completely. Don't just minimize it. Actually close every browser window, then reopen the browser and go back to msn.com again. Now that the cookies have been cleared, sign-in state should be reset. Click the profile icon again if needed and try signing out one more time. In most cases, this second attempt works because the browser no longer has the old session information saved. If you're still having trouble, double check that you cleared cookies for the correct browser and that the browser was fully restarted before trying again. That usually fixes the most common MSN sign out errors, and that's it. You've now learned how to handle an MSN error signing out and how to reset the browser session so you can sign out properly. If this tutorial helped, please hit like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides, and I'll see you in the next video.